Here is how you can create a Walk with Love 2022 team page. You can access this page from walkwithlove.org. Click Register, then select Create a Team. Next, choose your team name, set your team fundraising goal, and create a team page headline. Decide if you want to be a VIP. This year, you can participate as a walker or a runner in the Pacific Palisades, or you can participate virtually. Other team members can register and join your team later. After you submit your initial registration, fill out all your information here. Don't forget your t-shirt size. Here, you can make a donation to kick off your fundraising. Now, you can finish your checkout. And congrats! You have created your Walk with Love team page, and you yourself has been registered for the walk. From here, you can access your team page and your individual fundraising page. Let's check out the team page. This is the landing page for your team, where you will find your team members, fundraising goals, updates, and the leaderboard. Thanks for watching. Please reach out to walk@drsusanloveresearch.org if you have any questions. See you in person or virtually on Sunday, May 15th.